I mean, is this not just the coolest thing? It is so beautiful and so well made, and it's so low profile.
We tried to make like a 1 + 1 = 3 type of scenario.
Alaska's a really, really great partner for a technology company because the technology itself, the hardware doesn't matter. The solution is what matters. The experience for their employees, for their guests is what matters. And that thread pulls through the airline side of things, through how they operate the business. And what was important for when we're building a space like this is that that resiliency and redundancy and reliability have to be key. We can't just buy a display. We can't just throw something on the wall. We chose Megapixel because they are way above and beyond what the industry standards are, and they've always been pushing the boundaries of excellence in every product that they make. And for us, reliability and performance are number one. Network security is always a huge consideration in every design that we do. And you can imagine in a corporate space it's one thing, but the level of security requirements when you're at an airport is a whole other thing. In this day and age, IT security is paramount, and even with the AV technology. And as we were vetting different partners and vendors, Megapixel passed all the security requirements with flying colors.
The mix of being able to have the same underlying infrastructure, driving Ventana here, but driving other tiles in the airport, and having a lab space in here as well. It's one system.
Yeah, once you're trained on it here, you can work on it anywhere. One of my favorite things about Ventana is the performance speaks for itself. You can have a completely untrained eye walk into a room and they say, wow, every single time. And that alone is the best compliment you can give. I can go into all sorts of technical reasons why its black performance and brightness and color accuracy and on-camera performance are incredible. But really at the end of the day, when somebody comes in, especially if they're the ones who paid for it, and they go, whoa, that's what you're looking for.